The weather is getting chilly, and what perfect thing to warm you up when you get in is a lovely slice of cake. But today I'm going to make a very easy cake for you, and it's a Jamaican buttered rum cake, something that can be done in a few minutes and better yet in the microwave. So let's get started, and we'd like to start by showing you our ingredients. We start off with 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour. To that, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. We're going to add a pinch of nutmeg. Nutmeg is this wonderful spice from the Caribbean, and we use a little bit of nutmeg to really make this cake come alive. Of course, added to that, we're going to have our wet ingredients. We're going to have 2 tablespoons of beaten egg, plus 2 tablespoons of melted butter. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of rum, a teaspoon of vanilla, some milk, and of course we're gonna get ready to go. Of course, it's 2 tablespoons of milk, and all we need for this is a microwavable mug and a fork or spoon to mix the ingredients. Let's get started. So to our mug, we're gonna add our flour. Simple as that. It's the easiest recipe you can think of. And to the flour, we're going to add our brown sugar. Add your brown sugar, your dark brown sugar, to the flour. Give it a mix to incorporate and make sure that it's evenly distributed. The brown sugar may be a bit hard, so we want to make sure that it's completely coated with the flour. So once that is done, we're going to continue by adding the other ingredients. So we make sure there are no lumps, and then we're going to add, of course, our spice, or nutmeg, to the flour and also to the brown sugar. To your flour mixture, you're going to add your beaten egg, your small beaten egg. You're going to add that to the mixture. Remember, this is for 1 cup cake or mug cake. You're also going to add your rum. Of course, can't have this recipe without rum, so we're adding a generous tablespoon of dark rum from Jamaica. We are also going to add our milk, and we added to it our milk here, and of course 2 tablespoons of melted butter. After adding the melted butter, of course, we give it a generous stir, and we add our vanilla to complete the mixture. So add our vanilla, and then we're going to stir and make sure that all the ingredients are completely mixed in. So all your ingredients are mixed, pop it into the microwave for 1.5 minutes, and then you get your cake. Turn it over onto a plate. This is what you have, and the best way to serve it is to add some ice cream, or you can sprinkle some more rum and of course enjoy. So I'm adding some whipped cream here, and of course a little sprig of mint just for aesthetics, and a light and fluffy cake, perfect for 1 or 2 if you want to share and enjoy on these chilly nights that we have. Enjoy. It is absolutely delicious.